guys, today we will discuss about how to use and create WebView within the iOS app. So let's start. Firstly, we will create a new Xcode project. Uh, Now you have to open the storyboard file first. Now you have to add the WebView element and just drag and drop into the view. Now edit the constraints. Okay, okay. So now you have to add the outlet for this element within the view controller class. Let's do this thing. You have to import the WebKit framework. Now let's start with code. We have to create the request first, which will load uh, the URL into the WebView. We will load the URL request within the WebView. Now we have to run the code in the simulator or in the physical device. It's up to you. You can check the website google.com is successfully loaded onto the WebView. Thanks for watching this video.